Welcome to this tutorial on changing form tags in the Prep Tag Editor. Updating form tags ensures accurate tagging, improving accessibility and usability for assistive technologies. Proper tagging is essential to prevent incorrect data entry in forms. To change a form tag, select the form field that needs modification. Click the Tag Type drop-down menu. Select Form Control from the list. Click the Form Type drop-down menu and choose the appropriate form tag based on the field type. Modify the field name and tooltip of the field for clarity and accuracy. Ensure the tag is correctly applied to maintain proper form structure and accessibility. By following these steps, you ensure a properly structured form and improved document accessibility. That's it. You've successfully changed a form tag in the Prep Tag Editor. Thank you.